Hi, you had a long weekend. Lucky you. Okay, so we're back to our calendar again. And we're in June. 2020 is the year, and it's the 15th. We have a full 5 days this week, and we have a full 5 days of going on field trips again. Right? Last week was all about yummy things, ice cream and chocolate, and this week it's about places in our community, things that happen, okay? We're going to go on virtual field trips to different places, okay? Now, remember, thank you very much for all your voices and all your reflections on your last week's field trips. This week, again, I want you to tell me, what did you learn? Again, after every field trip, what did you learn? What did you see? What did you reflect? What were they doing? Where was this place? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Did it make you happy? Did it make you sad? Okay? So I want to hear it in a voice. You can also reflect in a drawing or in words. Okay? Now, the first field trip we're going on, you're going to love it, okay? Because it's about community, okay? We have one right down the street from us, and we look at them all the time, and there are people, and they have trucks, and they protect us, okay? And it's fire trucks. A fire station is where the trucks are, and the firemen live, and they go when there's a fire or there's a tragic emergency, and they are equipped and they learn to protect us, okay? Like the police, they do the same thing. So we're going to a fire station on Monday, and your word for your writing journal is fire station. I want you to illustrate what you saw in the fire station. Who did you see? What was it? What color were the trucks? What did they look like? What shape was it? Okay, and maybe the hoses, because they have water and they have to put out fires with water. So you're going to illustrate the fire station. Okay? The next field trip we're going on is, I don't know if we have one in the Philippines. I haven't seen one yet. It's called the post office. Okay? The post office. Let's find the word. Post office. Post office. It's a place where you mail letters or receive mail. Okay? And in the post office, we have stamps, and you put a little stamp on it, and you pay for the stamp, and it depends on the currency of what country it is, and you mail a letter or a package to someone. Like, we order things, Lazada, that's kind of like a post office thing. It's more like a delivery, but you go to a post office, and I want to mail a package to Miss Carol in Canada. I would go to the post office, or if I want to mail a letter to her to say I love you and I miss you, and I would address it, put a stamp or postage stamp, and send it off. You're going to learn all about that, but I want you to illustrate something that you saw in the post office. Maybe you want to design your own stamp. I'm not sure, okay? So, the next field trip we're going on is where? The Railroad Museum. Okay, the Railroad Museum is about trains, okay? And it's about the history of trains and different types of trains, locomotive trains and fast trains, and they're on a track and they go around, okay? So you're going to learn about that, and you're going to tell me about that, what you learned, and you're going to illustrate the word train. And you're going to design a train. You be the scientist, because we're all creative. You can make a really cool train. You can make little ones. You can make it colorful. You can show me how many windows there are. Who's in the train? Maybe we're all going for a ride in the train. Maybe you can tell me where we're going in the train. From here to there. The next field trip we're going on, and everyone loves this, we're going to the airport. Airport. What goes on at the airport? Are trains at the airport? What do you see at the airport? What do? We fly all the time when we're traveling, right? And we usually go to an airport and we get on something. A helicopter, an airplane. What did you see at the airport? Your luggage, the flight attendants, the pilot. So what you're going to do is you're going to illustrate what you saw at the airport. Maybe you want to make a plane. It's up to you, okay? Now the last field trip we're going on is the sheriff's station. It's a police station, okay? And this is especially for Mr. Nikolai because he's our police officer. He's the one who protects and serves us, okay? So what you're going to illustrate from the police station is a police car. You're going to design a police car with colors. You're going to write police on it. You can even put your name on it. I'm the policeman, Nikolai, or I'm the police lady, Rahi. So, or I'm the policeman, TJ. You can design your own car. Some police cars have like little red lights on the top because they're going fast to protect and serve us. Police car. Okay? So that's fun. We're doing field trips all this week, and we did field trips all next week. Okay.